Okay, we're gonna make some Ritz cracker toffee. So we're gonna take our Ritz crackers, put them down in a dish, and we've got the parchment paper laid down. This is, I believe, a 9x9 dish.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if it was an 8x8.
Could be 8x8. It's 8x8 or 9x9. And I'm doing it where the salted is on the top.
Okay.
I don't know that that matters, but I thought I would throw that in there. Okay, we got 16 fit in this 8x8, 9x9 pan. Now we're gonna make our toffee. Stick of unsalted butter. We're gonna melt it first. Then we'll add in our brown sugar. Okay, now we're gonna take a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And this one is dark brown sugar. It doesn't matter, whichever you prefer. We're gonna cook this for about 3 minutes.
Looking good.
Okay, now we're going to take it and pour it over our crackers.
Excuse me, Lemon.
Please.
All right.
Okay, now we've got it. We're gonna pour it over.
Ooh, look at that buttery goodness.
Yeah. And your Ritz crackers are already buttery as well.
Ain't that the truth?
Okay. Our spatula. You can see where it's already getting hardened in there. Spread it out. And then we're gonna bake this. What temperature is it?
420, 425.
425.
For how long? 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay. Oh, that's bubbling hot.
Oh, yeah, it is. You need to get it better.
No, I got it.
Look at
So
that.
now,
That's bubbling.
okay, now I've got a cup of chocolate chips. You're gonna sprinkle them over your crackers and your toffee. Put it back in the oven for 1 to 2 minutes. Just stay real close with it.
Just 1 to 2 minutes, folks.
That oven is hot, and it's not gonna take long.
All
Right,
right.
we did about 1.5 minutes. Now we're gonna take it over, have you a spatula out, and you should be able to, you see,
Oh, yeah.
spread
So
your
smooth.
chocolate chips. The parchment paper kind of gets in the way. But you want this parchment paper on here, you will learn in a minute.
Oh, that's spreading on there real nice.
Yes. You really could make it a different flavor if you wanted to. If you don't want chocolate, you know, now they make the peanut butter chips.
Oh, yeah.
They make all kind of chips now.
Do white chocolate. Get that snow, that Christmas look.
I think, yeah. Okay, now, got all of it spread out. We're gonna take some crushed up candy canes. And we're
Crushed them
gonna,
up myself.
yes. We're just gonna sprinkle it over here.
Oh, that's cool. That now it feels like Christmas.
Yes. And then let it cool. And then you can pick it up with your parchment paper and break it.
All right, let's give this a try. Break off a piece. That's how it works, right?
Yep. It's called that crack.
Ooh, look at
Look at that. Wow.
That looks good. Oh my gosh. I see why they call it that.
I know you can't put it down.
Oh my gosh. That really is good.